scenario where we have launched one instance and downloaded the .pm file, and our system is of Windows. So then we have to convert .pm file to the .ppk. So we'll follow that. Let's launch one instance with having .pm file downloaded to our local machine. Selecting the Linux OS, T2 Micro, and here we are creating .pm file, and currently we are on the Windows OS. The .pm downloaded to our local machine, and we have launched one instance now. Now while connecting this instance from the Putty, we need to have .ppk. Here you can see in .ssh, we in the auth section we need to provide the private key file. So we will convert the .pm to the .ppk using Puttygen. For this purpose, you need to have the Puttygen to be installed on your machine. Click on the load, select the .pm file, select all files, and here is linux2.pm. In my case, automatically it will generate for the private key. Click on save private key, say yes, save with proper name and .ppk extension. Now we can provide that .ppk to our instance for SSH connection, and we will get connected to the ec2 instance from Putty. So open Putty, copy hostname for the instance, select the instance, click on connect, click on the SSH client. Here you are having the public DNS. You have to copy it in the front page of the Putty. Click on the data. Here you have to add the username. In my case, ec2-user. Click on SSH auth, browse for .ppk file that we have just created. Click on open, accept the certificate, and we are connected to the our instance by converting our .pm file to the .ppk and accepting it through Putty. Thank you very much for watching this video.